Okay, so next day, next episode, just stood in a puddle then. I was kind of worried about my Vans, but they're good. Anyway, come to the next place. It's called Chateau, and this is where they like distill kind of rums and all this kind of stuff. So gonna explore and see what kind of rums we can make.
Yo, with the cousin.
That's my cousin Yaz. And that's the chef. Going up the stairs now, but yeah, let's see what kind of rums we're gonna make. Have a little tasting session, and yeah, keep me tuned. So we've got our dish, which is chicken layered rum, which is looking quite good with its rice, and it's a kucha, a traditional Mauritian kind of side, which is very nice. We also have
Gratin de palmis.
gratin palmis, which
Palm
is
tree.
palm tree. With its there, looking quite nice with its vegetables, its chips. Yeah, hopefully it'll be quite nice food. He's still waiting. I mean, his food ain't there. What are you gonna eat? Nothing. Qui t'en vous manger?
Unani.
So obviously my cousin had a little bit of a wait time for his food because he ordered the fish, dorado, or in Mauritian, dorade. Yeah, to be fair. Look at that. Nisasa.
J'ai vraiment comme service. Demain je sais on s'avait fait ça. Tombé moi du vernis. On fait ça à l'aise faut que tu vois. Nouveau jeu je fais un V6. Y'a bien longtemps que j'ai lâché le V6. Y'a bien longtemps que j'ai lâché le 26, 17, 18, 19, 20e. Dans la cabine comme Messi. Messi. Ne pas bouger. Messi. Les 3 minutes ça fait plaisir. Plaisir. En vrai, merci.